What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best waterproof cameras for 2022. Through extensive research I've put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether their price, performance and particular use, we got you covered. For more information on the products I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the latest prices. Like this video, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The fifth product on our list for today is the Panasonic Lumix DMCT-S30, the best budget waterproof camera to be found on the market for 2022. A rugged waterproof camera doesn't need to cost the earth. The Panasonic Lumix DMCT-S30 is affordable, making it a great camera for your beach vacation or to let the kids use. It's only waterproof up to 26 feet, but that's more than enough for most swimmers and snorkelers. This small, compact travel is easy to travel with and is also freeze-proof down to 14 degrees Fahrenheit, and shockproof up to 4.9 feet. It have an impressive 16-megapixel sensor, along with image stabilization, panorama mode, time-lapse shooting, and a 220 megabytes built-in memory for in case your SD card fills up. We also like the advanced underwater mode, which automatically compensates for red tones that tend to get lost when shooting underwater, creating more natural underwater photos. For any entry-level camera or anyone wanting to take decent underwater photos on a budget, there's plenty to like about the DMCT-S30, available in black, red, or blue. The fourth product on our list for today is the Nikon Coolpix W300, the best mid-range waterproof camera to be found on the market for 2022. For a mid-range digital camera, the Nikon Coolpix W300 performs like a heavyweight, with excellent performance both underwater and on land. Featuring water resistance up to 100 feet below the surface, the dust and freeze-proof W300 can also withstand a fall from heights up to 7.9 feet in the air. The generous waterproofing depth makes it a top choice for scuba divers, who will appreciate the 16-megapixel lens. It's also a good choice for anyone looking to film or take photos during extreme sports, like biking, as you can capture all the action in 4K Ultra HD video. You also have a 5x zoom and LCD screen with anti-reflective coating. While it's a high-performing camera, note that it does struggle a bit in low light. From a user perspective, comfortable grips and intuitive button placement make it easy to shoot underwater or on the go. A built-in GPS, e-compass, and altimeter add to this camera's more adventurous features, and the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities let you upload photos to another device. The third product on our list for today is the Fujifilm FinePix XP140, the best all-weather waterproof camera to be found on the market for 2022. Looking for an affordable camera that can perform even in water or snow? If so, there's plenty to like about the Fujifilm FinePix XP140. This budget-friendly model is designed to withstand the elements. It's waterproof up to a generous 82 feet, plus it's shock, dust, and freeze-proof. You've also got an ergonomically friendly design, making it easier to hold on while you're in the water. Images of clear, especially in bright light, thanks to an ISO range of 100 to 12,800. A 5x optical zoom lets you capture all the detail, plus smile shutter mode lets you take pictures automatically. Plus, the addition of Bluetooth lets you instantly transfer images to your phone and it also attaches both the time and your location. The XP140 is probably best for photos, rather than videos since users report the microphone quality isn't the best. The second product on our list for today is the GoPro Hero 7 Black, the best waterproof action camera to be found on the market for 2022. If your idea of fun is scuba diving through shipwrecks, parasailing off cliffs, or ziplining down a mountain, then you need the GoPro Hero 7 Black. GoPro is one of the top brands in adventure photography, and the Hero 7 Black delivers, thanks to incredible image quality, 4K video, and voice control, which lets you record and film hands-free. It's a small, compact camera, offering 12-megapixel photos, that will fit just about anywhere, and can be paired with plenty of accessories and housing, depending on your needs. The camera is waterproof to 33 feet and rugged enough to withstand drops. Users also have plenty of creative choices, with the GoPro offering time-lapse video, slow-mo, live streaming, and the Super Photo feature, which gives you automatic enhancement on your images. You also have built-in hyper-smooth video stabilization, which works well to keep your video smooth, even if you don't have a gimbal. The first product on our list for today is the Olympus TUF-T G6, the overall best waterproof camera to be found on the market for 2022. A waterproof camera should not only be able to work in the ocean, but should also be able to withstand extreme conditions. For a fantastic all-rounder, you can't beat the Olympus TUF-T G6. It's waterproof to 50 feet, but it's also dustproof, freeze-proof, it can withstand dust, and it's strong and durable. Photographers have access to a rugged little machine, featuring an f2.0 lens, 8x zoom, 4K Ultra HD, and a back-illuminated CMOS image sensor. While there's no manual mode, there are plenty of shooting options, especially for underwater photography and macro. White balance mode gives you clear and accurate color when you're diving or snorkeling, and the 4 macro modes capture all the details up close. The TUF-T G6 also includes GPS or compass tracking, so you can link locations to photos and videos, a useful feature when categorizing and editing your work. It's also compatible with plenty of Olympus accessories and lenses. If you're looking for a camera that's built tough and delivers beautiful images, the TUF-T G6 is a winner. That's all for now. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the latest prices. Like this video, comment and make sure to subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.